You might think Stateside Spend is just another spending app, but the surprising truth is that it's built to help users understand their spending behavior before it becomes a problem. In 2026, that focus makes it more relevant than ever. Stateside Spend is a money management app centered on real-time spending insights. It connects to your accounts and shows exactly where your money goes, broken down into categories like food, transportation, subscriptions, and discretionary spending. Most people get this wrong by only checking balances, but knowing where money leaks out is far more powerful. One of the app's strongest features is its spending warnings. If you are about to exceed your typical weekly or monthly limit in a category, the app sends a notification before the damage is done. This small nudge has helped many users reduce unnecessary expenses without feeling restricted. Stateside Spend also includes a trend analysis tool that compares your spending month over month. This makes it easy to see patterns, such as rising subscription costs or creeping food expenses. You won't believe how quickly small habits add up when you finally see the data. The app does not offer loans, advances, or savings accounts. It's purely an awareness and control tool. For some users, that simplicity is a strength. For others, it may feel incomplete. Stateside Spend is ideal for people who earn enough but still wonder where their money goes. If you are trying to cut waste and build smarter habits, this app shines. In conclusion, Stateside Spend in 2026 is still worth it for users who want clarity, not complexity. It won't give you money, but it will help you keep more of what you already earn. Subscribe for more honest reviews that help you make smarter money decisions.